Somewhere beneath the streets of London, buried under office buildings and coffee shops, lies an entire Roman city that nobody has ever fully excavated. Founded around 43 AD by the Romans as Londinium, this settlement on the Thames was already a thriving port of 50,000 people before most of Europe had paved roads. But here is what is stranger. London has burned to the ground, been plague-ravaged, bombed into rubble, and flooded by its own river. And every single time, it came back larger and more extraordinary than before. The Great Fire of 1666 destroyed over 13,000 homes and 87 churches in just 4 days. Yet within a decade, Sir Christopher Wren had designed a new skyline, including St. Paul's Cathedral, whose dome remained the tallest structure in London for over 250 years. And yet the city's age is almost impossible to absorb. The Tower of London has stood since 1078, nearly 1,000 years, and still holds the crown jewels, including the Cullinan diamond, the largest clear-cut diamond on Earth at 530 carats. Even more surprising is London's geography of the mind. The city contains over 170 museums, more than any other city in the world, and most of them are completely free to enter. The British Museum alone holds over 8 million objects spanning the full breadth of human civilization, a collection so vast that only 1% of it is ever on public display at any given time. Walk along the South Bank at dusk and you pass Shakespeare's reconstructed Globe Theatre, built on the same street where the original stood in 1599. The Thames beside you has been a working river for 2,000 years without interruption. The London Underground opened in 1863 and was the world's first underground railway. Today, its 11 lines carry 5 million passengers every single day through tunnels that weave between Roman walls, medieval plague pits, and Victorian sewers. But the most quietly astonishing fact of all, London is home to over 300 languages spoken daily, more linguistic diversity than any other city on the planet. A place built by Romans, shaped by fire, ruled by kings, and ultimately made eternal by the endless arrival of human voices from every corner of God's creation.